Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of hard drives and learning how to make partitions. Whether you're looking to organize your files, run multiple operating systems, or just optimize your storage, partitioning your hard drive can be a great way to do it. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly is a partition? Think of a hard drive like a giant warehouse. Partitioning is essentially building walls inside this warehouse to create different sections, or partitions. Each partition can be used for different data, just like how different sections of a warehouse can store different codes. Now, let's go through the steps to create a partition on a Windows computer. Remember, the process might be slightly different if you're using another operating system. Open Disk Management. You can do this by pressing the Windows key +X and selecting Disk Management from the menu. Locate the drive you want to partition. Right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. This will create an allocated space, which we'll use to create a new partition. Enter the amount of space you want to shrink. This space will determine the size of your new partition. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to create and format your new partition. You can choose the size, assign a drive letter, and format the partition here. And that's it. You've successfully created a new partition on your hard drive. Partitioning your hard drive can be very useful for managing your files or running multiple operating systems. Just remember to always back up your data before making any changes to your hard drive. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.